I've already made 2 videos on it, and like a hungry hyena picking over the remains of a downed wildebeest on the plains of the Serengeti, I'm picking the bones clean of content on this keyboard. There's a lot to like about the Tofu. Mine's the HHKB version with the Hotswap PCB and integrated plate. I put unmodded, retooled cherry blacks in it at first. I'd heard the integrated plate made it sound pretty bad and wanted to hear it at its worst. I did lube the stabilizers, as I think that's a no-brainer at this point. Here's a quick sample. So, on the bright side, it can't get any worse. There are several ways I attacked the problem. I didn't want to waste lube on the stock springs, so I just put Sprit 68 gram springs in. I lubed the stem and other parts of the housing with Krytox 104, and the springs with some LSD oil. The actuation nubs got some Krytox 205 grade 0. This is the most complicated lube job I've ever done. I only recently got the LSD oil and Krytox lubes. It's very involved, but I have heard from a higher power that it's the way to go. I also had some sorbothane that I was sent by a company to test. I tried it on some of my boards, but couldn't tell any difference, so I didn't make any videos on it. There's space in the bottom of the case, so I put some of the softer, sticky stuff in there. I also spent some time carving up some of the harder sorbothane and put it between the plate and the PCB. Okay, it's not pretty, but it should do a job. I put some sorbothane inside the spacebar too. Here's how it sounds. I'm very pleased. It's pretty much transformed it into one of my best sounding and feeling boards. I'm going to have to rehab my other boards now. I'll see you next time.